What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your wallpaper and or theme. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so you may have just got the new LG Stylo 4 from either Cricket Wireless or Metro PCS, and you would like to change the theme of your phone and or wallpaper, and this is going to be the easiest possible way to do that. So first thing you want to go ahead and do is actually hold on the screen. So 3, 2, 1, and you're going to get a pop-up right here. It's going to say wallpaper and theme, so we're going to go ahead and click right there. Now this menu is going to come up and it's going to say wallpaper, theme, icons. You can actually customize your icons, which is pretty cool. So say you want to go ahead and put a new wallpaper on here. Say you like anime, you like Chain Strike or whatever. You're going to want to go right here and you're going to want to go ahead and download this. Now, keep in mind that some of these do cost money, but most of them are actually free. So after we download it, we're going to want to go ahead and press set and click that set wallpaper, and we do have the Chain Strike wallpaper on here now, and this is actually a pretty dope wallpaper. But yeah, that's how you change the wallpaper. Obviously there's a ton more wallpapers on here, as you guys can see right here, all free. And if you guys want to go ahead and change the theme, you guys can go ahead and download any theme you want. There are top paid and top free ones. As you see right there, I have 3 themes that I love. This is one of my favorite ones. Looks really nice. Your theme is then applied, and as you guys can see, the icons and literally everything changes. The wallpaper as well changes, and it just looks all around more personalized, and honestly I like it better. So if you guys want to download any themes, you guys can go ahead and take a look at top free, top paid, or new. Let's go ahead and look at the new ones. They have some pretty awesome themes on here actually. If you guys don't want to use a launcher to slow down your phone, but yeah, these are some nice themes if you guys want to download them. Alright guys, the last thing I'm going to show you is how to change icons. Now this is one of my favorite aspects of the phones. This is where you can like basically personalize it to your heart's content right here. There are a lot of different icons right here that honestly catch my eye, but if you like a beach theme, obviously it's the summer right here. If you like the beach theme, let me go ahead and go back. But yeah, if you like the beach theme, obviously it's the summer, so you guys can go ahead and click on that, and you'll have a beach theme wallpaper. We'll have stars wallpaper, we'll have a rainbow garden wallpaper, pink shoes, mesh metal, all this awesome stuff. Honestly, these icons are really nice. If you guys want to go ahead and download them, all you have to do is click on right here. Let's go ahead and download this one. This one's called Sunshine, so we're gonna go ahead and download, and it's gonna only be about 5 megabytes at the most, so don't worry about that. So once it's downloaded, it's gonna say install complete. We're gonna click apply, and it's gonna be applying it. It's gonna take a little bit longer than a wallpaper, as you guys see. It's gonna take a few seconds, so you just have to wait. And there you go, the icons are about to pop up right now, and they're gonna actually load on the screen. So there you go, we have some really nice icons, as you guys can see, some fresh and new icons. And honestly, this is something that you can do to make your phone fresh and new, because a lot of people get super bored of their phone, but if you're constantly changing the icons, wallpapers, and themes, I really think it gives the phone a more refreshing experience. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.